Exactly predicted.
Hurry up, kids.
Exactly as predicted.
Wow, Emily's pattern was correct. Look at that. Where's Alicia? Where's Kara? Good. If she can't find something, I hope she gets out here.
I know exactly what Kara wants anyway.
What's she want?
She wants a Madagascar pop.
Here she comes.
Run, Kara, run!
It's here!
My pattern works.
Success!
We've been waiting out here for minutes. Daddy, we need to go to our sidewalk.
Whatever.
No, right there.
All right, go over there.
It's exactly as predicted.
Good job.
No, as you predicted.
Hey. Yes! Perfect!